Holy G.
But yep.
This right here is the first ever Bert build. First ever. Really do love this truck. That's why I've held on to it for so long. With misinterpreted goals of what to do with it. But everything good comes to an end, and it gets better. This makes no power, goes very slow. And it's a deal, fuck it. I gotta throw a sale in there and shit, I'll get you the title. Okay, we got the scrap run. I have a truck door, a grill, and a bucket of copper.
What's your last name? Papa, let the guys know you have a ticket open, okay?
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Everything else, call 3.
Okay, cool. Hope you boys are keeping up with all the Bert Builds content we got going on so far. Trying to organize our shop, get it ready to go on to the big builds, move on from this little girl here. Alright guys. Alright boys, this is how to turn nothing into something. Watch. Doors, $500 if anybody wants them. That's all we got left of the entire truck. To sell some doors. Because we're turning nothing into something. Got it? Good. Oh, that guy almost crashed. Oh, that would have been sick. How's it going? Good.
I guess so, huh? So would they come off of 05 Chevy?
05, 60, 2500.
Yep.
It was a work truck, that engine blew up on it.
Oh, that
We
sucks,
just
huh?
parted out the whole thing, yeah. Ended up taking the whole thing apart.
Fuck.
Yeah,
That was a good deal.
yeah.
All right, you want to grab an end of
Yeah,
that?
yep.
See, I don't even really need those doors. but
Yeah, they're just good to have.
If you don't need them,
Yeah.
I'll use them before you will. Let's put it this way, I'll use them before you sell them.
Yeah.
These, I buy these all the time. So,
There you go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 4.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you
have a
making
good
it.
one.
Appreciate you making
Yeah,
the
no
trip.
problem.
I figure, you wouldn't believe how many people deliver me shit because they'll.
Shop and do work. In my bag so deep, I'm gone. Hit the block with do work. Everything raw, no edit. Plus me, did it. I said I feel invincible. It's 100 niggas in the spot. I won't come through.
Hey, how's it going? Picking up headlights or taillights, I mean?
We got headlights too, but
Yes, yes. Thank you. $100 you said, right?
$100.
Sweet, sweet. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You need anything else?
Um,
Stupid stuff.
what do you got?
Well, what are you doing?
I got a 350 King Ranch that I'm doing some stuff to, 6.0. Oh, 2 and 3. Oh yeah.
Some F-150s, but
I got a 6.0 and a 6.4 that I'm working on right now. I got for wicked cheap, both of them. I'm trying to flip them. Yeah.
well, if you need like stock stuff, we have a lot of stock stuff.
Yeah,
The aftermarket stuff, the minute we get it, it's
gone. Yeah, I wonder why that is. Cause the same with me. I've had 2 F-150s, and everything aftermarket I post, people want like that. But all the stock shit, no one gives a fuck about.
Well, it's because everybody wants to make it look pretty.
Yeah, yeah, and it works too. People only care about looks.
We got a 6.0 for sale if you're looking for one.
Yeah, no.
So I have 6 batteries. Gonna go change them in for $15 a piece down at the auto parts store. But also, we have some scrap here. Oh, hey guys, come check this out real quick. Here's a good spot to put this. Give the old girl a smidge of gas. It's a good old smidgen. Oh God. Oh, Jesus Christ, man, this thing's way too heavy. I can't lift. Oh, way too heavy. Wait. Oh, done. Alrighty, boys, here we go. Let's see if she starts. A hand bleed from punching money in there.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
That's fine.
this thing jumps out.
Whipping the old King Ranch. Smoking like a fucking train. Jesus fuck. Behind the fucking coal train.
Cocaine skin, mercury lips, Colorado eyes and fairy tale hill. Got every color Vans in the closet. You drive me crazy, but I'm the one who caused it. Dream girl, every day I wake I need more. It's only my feet on these floors, so give me more melatonin. Rockstar, I hear that's what they say I am, but I don't feel the same in this Mustang cruising at 3 a.m. rolling through the west streets of my hometown under the yellow lights. I get lost in the exhaust, rolling lonely on the coldest nights. I feel like what I do is right, but it sends me in the wrong direction. But I still drive until I'm sleepy, turning this compass reckless. Fuck it, I ain't even eating breakfast. I forgot about lunch and for dinner I'm just eating stresses. Then I go to sleep hungry just for your visionary presence, cause your face is like a music video from Evanescence. And I just wanna sit and watch it if only you was real, girl. Gas me up at the Shell and then ride with me in the real wheel. Cocaine skin, mercury lips, Colorado eyes and fairy tale hill. Got every color Vans in the floor of your closet. You drive me crazy, but I'm the one who caused it. Dream girl, why you only in my dreams for? Every day I wake I need more. It's only my feet on these floors, so give me more melatonin. Last year was kinda rough, but I still got to win a lot. Told the fans the truth about everything that had to make me stop. I went through 2 breakups and totaled some cars and trucks. Lost a bunch of friends, but this year I just don't give up, because the worst has already happened. They seen rain in a couple weeks. My DM filled up with pretty girls and a bunch of tender freaks. Yeah, but I ain't searching for the obvious, cause I can't deal with public places, neon lights, or none of that obnoxious shit. So I resort to blunt raps from the corner store. Tell the chick behind the counter 20 on 4. And pick her up later, play this song I wrote for her. Blowing smoke up out the window as we slide around our county. Cocaine skin, mercury lips, Colorado eyes and fairy tale hill. Got every color Vans in the floor of your closet. You drive me crazy, but I'm the one who caused it. Dream